future me, before I start the video, I said I was gonna put this case here on the 5S, and I never did get to it on video, so I'm gonna open this right quick. Be right back. Alrighty. It's a cool look. The styrofoam to help keep its shape. This little, not sticker, but it's heated into the design. And here it is. I think it looks pretty cool. Switch, volume buttons, the power button, charging ports, speakers, headphones, etc. You know the rest of it. Alright, this was the beginning because I forgot to do this during the video. Alright, let's continue with the actual video. Roll the intro. Hello guys, Interstate here, and I got 3 packages in front of us, and I will be unpackaging both of them. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, I just opened this one. Let's see what's in here. Small screwdrivers. Take bolts out. It's actually pretty interesting. Bought these for the phone fixing kit. Now let's move on to the second package. Alrighty, second package. Let's see what's in here. The phone case. And that little design back there too. This is the phone case for my iPhone 5S. I will put that on in the video as soon as we open our last package. While I was unpackaging this, I would tell you I would unpackage these off camera, but as you can tell, it's pretty good up here, and it's hard to do with one hand. So that's why I just paused the video, and I'll unpause it when I get it open. Last but certainly not least, it's kind of revealing up under here a little bit. The kit itself. Something else in here too. Oh, nothing else. So here it is here. The mat and all of the tools are under here too. So here it is right here. There's all your little holes where you put bolts and stuff in. And of course the center where you would place your phones, obviously, the ones you're fixing. And these ones I'm guessing are for more spots for bolts as well. Now I gotta open this off camera. Be right back. I just remembered that it was just a Ziploc bag, but here are all the tools. Let's kind of get them all out here. Is when you're replacing the screen, you use this little suction cup here and it takes them all off. Here's some plier tools here. And little tweezers too. More pliers. Another pick. Another pick. Suction cup. Cloth. Magnet. I forgot what you do with this here. Obviously, your little mini screwdrivers for different size bolts. Here's a couple more of them. Don't know what that is. So yeah, this is everything we got right here. Unpackaging 3 stuff. Like the video. Share the video with people you know who like this type of content. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to upload new videos every 1 to 3 days. And like the video to get my channel more recognition. Peace out.